At 7:45 p.m. in Phoenix, Arizona, officers responded to a 911 call about a man armed with a knife threatening people inside a grocery store. Moments later, the situation escalated, forcing an officer to make a critical decision captured on bodycam footage. Here's what happened next.
What's the address of your emergency?
43rd Avenue, Union Hills, Asiana Market.
What's going on there?
There's a man with a knife, and he's drunk, and he's assaulting the customers.
Ma'am, is he threatening anybody with it?
Yes, he is. He hasn't threatened with a knife yet, but he is armed.
Is he inside or outside with the store?
He's inside right now, and he's threatening them.
No!
Put it on the ground!
I'm gonna fuck you up!
Put it on the ground! Put it on the ground!
Get out of my face!
Uh-uh!
Get your fucking face out of here!
He's threatening people. I need another unit now.
Get out of my fucking face!
Put the knife down!
Shut your fucking mouth!
No!
Bitch.
Put the knife down!
Shut up!
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 Put the knife down! I'm so serious! Put the knife down!
Fucking mouth!
Put the knife
Shut
down!
your fucking mouth!
Put it on the ground! Sit!
Really?
Sit on the ground!
No!
Yes!
No, shoot me!
Yeah!
Shoot me! I'll
Put it on the ground!
I'll kill you, you stupid little bitch!
He's following me around with a knife.
I'll fucking slice your fucking
another new
throat!
unit. I need another unit.
Jeez!
Hey! Put it on the ground!
What?
Put it on the ground!
What on the
Put
ground?
it, the knife!
What on the ground?
Put the knife on the ground!
Fucking mouth!
Put the knife!
Fucking ass away from
Put the knife on the ground!
Shut up!
Put the knife on the ground!
Shut up!
Put the knife on the ground!
Shut up!
Put the knife on the ground! 998! 998! Put the knife!
I got it on video. You're with us. Fuck that!
Hey!
That fucking
Get on! Stay on the ground! Stay on the ground!
We are witness for you.
I got it all on video.